been a long time. I took a long break for no reason. I like Lego. I'm disassembling this retired Outback Lego set, and I wondered I can help somebody if they don't have a brick separator to disassemble this. Now, if you don't want to break your stuff, don't take it out. But my solution is this. I take another Lego plate. Hold up. Okay. Take like a plate. Then I put it like this. And then I take it out. I push on this. You see those two lines right there and those technique that has those two things. You just push them out like that, and then you take it out. Do it again with the other one. Boom, and it's out. Easy as pie. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon. And yeah, peace.